Folks, this is our 9-pound plus hen on the rotisserie that I built. You can see it. I put a little bit of tinfoil around the rotisserie motor to keep the heat off of it. I don't know how sensitive it's going to be to heat. It's just, gosh, that motor, you can replace it for $9 or $10. It's a real cheap motor, but I used what I had. I got a backup rotisserie motor as well. But this is a big old baby. She's all seasoned up from everything from Everglades seasoning, chimichurri sauce, Lowry salt, garlic salt, pepper, anything you can think of in the cabinet, I threw at it. We got a good fire going, basted it with lump charcoal to get her embers going back there in the back. You can see them glowing. And she's coming along. We're holding it about top of the dome right now is about 380 degrees. So I got my brackets welded tabbed on here to the 1/4 inch, 2-inch steel. So I didn't use a counterweight on here because the hen's just too darn big. But she's not going to turn over. It can run like that all day, and I guarantee you it won't turn over. And in about 2 hours, this baby's going to be ready. Somebody's going to get some chicken for dinner because I can't eat it. Radiation, too much radiation. But check the fire out going over that dome up there. This is going to make for a real good tasty bite here later on in a couple hours for somebody. See you later to the next one. So long.